Hi there. In this short video, I'll be demonstrating the latest ScatterChart features available in the version 7 release of Perceptive APC. ScatterCharts are a powerful way of visualizing the relationship between any two variables. We can either visualize signals from data files we have loaded in, or we can visualize data stored in basic arrays. To demonstrate ScatterCharts in action, I've loaded some batch data from a penicillin production process, and I can create a scatter chart simply by clicking on two signals and then selecting Scatter Chart from the menu. You'll see that a default chart has been created, which I will maximize now. And along the bottom of the chart, there is a slider bar so that you can dynamically restrict the data points that you see to a limited proportion of the analysis range. In this case, we have 10 batches in our batch data, and you can see that I can change which points are being displayed at any given time. If you wish to customize your chart, then that can be done by right-clicking and selecting the Properties dialog. From the General Properties tab, you can set things like the title and the legend. And from the Axis Properties tab, you can set axis limits, labels, and grids. So in this case, we'll set the X and Y axis grid. And from the Data Properties tab, you can set data point styles and colors, etc. One last feature I'll demonstrate is that you can color data points according to a third categorical signal. If you click here on the color selector option, then you can enter a signal which will act as a categorical signal. In this case, we will use the batch identity signal that denotes each individual batch. If we enter the signal ID in this field, then press this button here, you can see that the color categories have been automatically created for you. And if we apply these changes, you can now see that the scatter chart now highlights the differences in process responses between different batches. As you can see, this is a really handy way of visualizing the difference between any two signals based on a third category. For more information about perceptive engineering, please visit us at www.perceptiveapc.com or follow us on Twitter at perceptiveapc.